Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Cruze CDX sedan, stock reference number 5073. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2011 through to the 12th month 2014. It has an FD18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. FD18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, the base is faded. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door also appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Unfortunately nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, also with a faded base. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.